Good morning. We are SecureSafe from Switzerland. And this is how your clients used to store their assets in the past, a safety deposit box. This is how your clients can store their digital assets in the future. SecureSafe is a data vault that allows you to send bank statements to your clients and the client to store in a separate, cryptographically separated department his personal assets. SecureSafe is Swiss, simple and secure. Swiss means we have engineering, operations, data storage, all deep in the Swiss mountains. We have a very simple solution that can be used by any user of any age, at any location, on any device. So usability is key. And secure means that every file is cryptographically stored, protected, stored in SecureSafe, and you can be sure that the NSA cannot read any of these data. So today, we demonstrate a scenario where the bank delivers documents to an external asset manager. The external asset manager shares the documents with a partner, and this partner, again, with his client. So, here we have Tim. May I introduce Tim? Tim is the external asset manager. Tim works with Mr. Miller from Miller Industries, who wants to build a new factory in Rotterdam. For that, he needs financing from Peak Bank. They're anxiously waiting for the financing confirmation. So Tim logs in the morning into SecureSafe. He enters user ID and password, and already here we have hidden functionality, hidden security. This is not a simple user ID password scheme. This is a cryptographic scheme for logging in. Voila. He is inside his safe. We see different compartments. We see a Peak Bank compartment, we see a My Private Safe compartment, and we see a Miller Industries team space. So Tim navigated, because he has seen there is new documents that arrived overnight, Tim navigated to the right folder where the new documents are. He sees that there is a project financing confirmation document. He double-clicks the document and looks at the document. He does that via the so-called secure viewer technology. It's a technology we developed together with Swiss private banks that want to be assured that wherever their clients are, even on a hotel PC, they can access this data without leaving any traces on the PC. So he looks at the data and he's very happy. Yeah. So he's eager to share that data with that document with Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller and Tim, they have together a so-called team space. Team spaces are separate, cryptographically protected compartments where only team members can access, and Tim pastes the item, pastes the document, copy-pastes it from the Peak Bank space into the team space. At this very moment, Mr. Miller, who is on his way to Rotterdam at the airport, receives an email. Because the document was added, he receives a notification email. He's eager to see what happened and what was added to the team space. So he takes out his iPhone and logs in the SecureSafe app on his iPhone. He goes to the file safe again. He looks at the correct department, Miller Industries team space. He opens the PDF that has arrived, and he sees the same document again in a secure viewer on the iPhone. He looks at the balance, is very happy, and decides the project can start. So Mr. Miller decides that he needs to share that document with his partner from AAA Lawyers. He uses the Secure Send functionality that's also built into the iOS app, selects John Lawyer, the email address and the phone number are automatically inserted. The email is used to send an email with a link in it, and the mobile number is used to send a security code, a security token, to the lawyer via mobile. The lawyer will receive that link, click on it, he needs to enter the security code such that the documents can be decrypted. So, what we have seen so far is a scenario, an end-to-end scenario, where Peak Bank delivered over APIs into SecureSafe documents. We had Tim, the external asset manager, that used these documents and shared it with Mr. Miller in a team space. And we had Mr. Miller that shared it with secure sending functionality as a one-off sharing with his lawyer. Never in this scenario, the documents were unencrypted. They moved from one crypto container to the other. All of these documents are stored such that only the owner of these safes can actually access them. We as provider have no access to it. That's why the banks trust us, because we can prove that to your security teams. So even if Mr. Miller was on the WLAN at the airport and downloaded this document to look at it, no sniffer on the airport could look at it because we have double encryption over the traffic as well. We have about 500,000 users that use this solution daily. And one of the reasons why many Swiss, German, Italian banks offer this to their customers is that there is also a personal vault built in, a private compartment where the user can store his personal documents, any type of documents. Can we see the screen again? Thank you. So there is a document space in it for private files. We have a password safe in it for password lists that you have, and typically you have them somewhere on your iPhone or in your computer in Excel lists. This is the safest way to store them. And last but not least, we are also the inventor of data inheritance. If you'd like to know more about all this, we're happy to show you the product in the break. And this here is full of Swiss goodies, which we'd like to give away to you. And we're looking forward to your questions later on. Thank you very much.